Hello friends, in this tutorial we will see how to draw Golden Criminal from Free Fire step by step. For this drawing, we start by making the clown nose with a circle. For the eyes, we make a curved line as if it were happy, and then we connect another line. We follow the same procedure for the other eye. Now for the smile, we draw 7 straight lines. For the hood, we start from the left up. As for the hand, we start with the thumb, making sure there is a space between the thumb and the hood, since that is where we will place the coin. Finally, we draw the gloves on the hands, and to do so, we draw curved lines almost halfway up the fingers. Okay, we've finished drawing this new golden criminal from Free Fire, and if you want, you can also color him. Well, that would be all for this video. Thank you very much for all the support. If the tutorial was helpful to you, please leave me a comment, your like, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. See you in the next drawing.